My name's Seth Fenby, and what I have here is a Caterpillar 305 CR. I'm going to start this machine up and run and operate it, and we're going to inspect the major components. Okay guys, now we're going to walk around the machine, look at the major components. It's got a really nice bucket on it here. It's a CP bucket. It's wide. The pins are pretty tight. This machine does have a quick coupler on it. The stick's in good shape. It's plumbed, so you can put a hydraulic thumb on it. It's equipped currently with a mechanical thumb. The blade's in good shape. You can see here. The boom's all in nice shape. It's in good operating condition. The pins are pretty tight. There's no excessive play anywhere. Here's your serial number plate. Everything. The tracks are in like new condition on this machine. The undercarriage is in very good operating condition. The sheet metal and everything is clean. The other side, the undercarriage. See right here. The glass is all in the cab. It's your hour meter, 1,832 hours. The seat's in excellent shape. All the controls operate well inside the cab. All the functions are in good operating condition. If you have any questions, give me a call. Okay guys, thanks for viewing the video. Really appreciate it. If you need any shipping quotes or financing rates, or applications or anything, there's links in the bottom, in the description down there. Just go down there and click on the links. You can call or text me on my on the number down there as well. Please like, comment, share the video, and thanks a lot. I really appreciate it. Have a good one.